What are some disturbing facts about the human body? You can throw up enough that your esophagus starts bleeding. Not only from general wear and tear, but also from the sheer force of it. There are mites in your eyelashes. A lot of them. Hearing goes last. 2 years ago my kidneys and liver all failed simultaneously overnight. I almost died. I barely got in touch with my wife, who could tell there was something wrong enough to call 911. The doctors still have no idea why it happened, nor really why I was able to recover my kidney function. It could happen again, or it may not. The fact that my body could just randomly fail and kill me at any time is nerve-wracking. Teratomas. A teratoma is a tumor made up of several different types of tissue, such as hair, muscle, teeth, or bone. Things are going wrong inside it. Constantly. Tumor cells are generated. DNA strands break. Gut bacteria go out of balance. Cholesterol deposits in arteries. A lot of energy is expended on just maintenance and repairs. I think about how delicate that balance is all the time. You can develop allergies so severe that your body starts attacking nearly everything you consume, mistaking anything fruit vegetable based as pollen, giving you severe, sometimes life-threatening reactions. It can strike anyone at any age. And if it's severe enough, you will have to eat meat and dairy products only. So I've had it for 2 years. Once a day, your immune system kills a cell that would have developed into cancer. Up to 3 of your body weight is bacteria. You can die from plucking your nasal hairs. There is a vein that goes straight to your brain via your nose. It's rare, but there's a chance you could get an infection in a hair follicle that goes straight to the brain. Your skin is so elastic that your neck would have to be twisted 3 times for it to not snap back into place. That my eggs were in my body when I was a fetus, so the eggs that made my kids were in my mom. At any given moment, you're full of shit. The vast majority of its users have no clue how it works and why regular maintenance and care is important. Before and during childbirth, a woman's skeleton becomes flexible so the child can pass the pelvis. We literally have 2 narrow hips for our offspring's heads. The mammalian male reproductive system is extremely poorly designed. There are a lot of twists and turns in the structure made up of all these tubes. And then you add in the prostate. Well, basically almost every man will wind up with prostate cancer if they reach a certain age. The system isn't built to last its owner. It's built to reproduce, so reminder to check your prostate, fellas. As easy as a blood test these days. And it's very easy to treat. If you have a rather large mole on your chest, there's a very good chance that it's actually a third nipple waking up with a bang. Some people suffer from exploding head syndrome, which causes them to hear a loud bang when they wake up. Less than half of your poop is food that you couldn't digest. The majority of it is living and dead. Gut bacteria. The human body is just a fucking mess. Well, all of life is. The recurrent laryngeal nerve connects the larynx to the brain. It does this by going from the brain into the neck, past the larynx, down into the chest, around the aorta, back up into the neck, and then connects to the larynx. Due to this, a blow to the chest can damage your ability to speak.